Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the Allewie queen-size platform bed frame, a perfect blend of style and functionality. This bed frame boasts a high-quality metal and wood construction, ensuring durability and support for up to 800 pounds, while the heavy-duty support feet come with plastic plugs to protect your floors. Designed with a minimalist aesthetic, the padded upholstered headboard complements various decors, and thanks to the even mute bar, you can enjoy a noise-free experience without any squeaking or creaking. Forget about needing a box spring, as the solid wood slats provide excellent support for both memory foam and spring mattresses, keeping them securely in place. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions, allowing you to put it together in about an hour, and it's designed to fit mattresses ranging from 8 to 15 inches thick. Each part is clearly labeled, and everything you need for assembly is conveniently packed in one box, making setup straightforward and hassle-free. So, if you're looking for a sturdy, stylish, and easy-to-assemble bed frame, the Allewie queen-size platform bed frame might just be the perfect choice for your bedroom. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.